It's Tiffany's content. August 1st already, dipping right into the fall. Let's get into this weather and see what's going on in the United States, okay? Right now, we still have the Southwest, very hot and picking up some, lightning and thunderstorms, okay? Going up into the northern Rockies, there's a lot of low pressure up there that's trying to, pick back up again. We had this problem all week long and even last week, okay? But it's coming more out of the West Coast too. And you can see that it's South Dakota, dipping down into Nebraska and Kansas and even some parts of Colorado. And then Texas is highlighted. But again, this East Coast, okay? Flooding, a lot of rain activity. It's once again highlighted in the South Carolina area, okay? Going into North Carolina. And again, remember, New York had a lot of flooding and rainfall this past few days, and that flash flooding can be very severe, and it's highlighted once again along with the South Dakota area again, going into the northern Rockies, Kansas and Colorado, and even more on the West Coast this time, okay? And down into the southeast, you're going to see heavy rainfall in the next few days, okay? So that's just cool, cooling off those hot, heated temperatures. And you're going to see a small, kind of weak cold front coming through after the rain, but it's definitely trying to cool off in the south. But you see all that rainfall from the southwest and going up into the central and even into the north, okay? And they're highlighting those areas for flash flooding, severe, lightning and thunderstorms right now, and even in that East Coast once again, okay? So South Carolina, North Carolina, this weekend is going to be a lot of rain, thunderstorms, lightning, and flash flooding, okay? So make sure that you're aware of the weather.gov app have all that, heat advisories in Southern California, going into New Mexico, Texas even, okay? So you're going to see U.S. hazard is still hot down in the south and even some in Florida. We're going to be hot all year long in Florida. A little bit of cool air, towards the end of the year. But right now we're still looking at heavy rainfall in the southeast, okay? So Georgia, okay? Alabama, Mississippi, South Carolina, after all that rainfall and lightning, you're going to get a very much weak cold front, okay? But it's going to cool off a little bit, okay? So just be prepared for that, okay? So now you can go outside, okay? But anyway, just enjoy your weather, your time. The lightning map do have, some lightning over there where I showed you, but going back over it, looking at the tropics, you're going to see that Tropical Storm Iona is trying to dissipate a little bit, but you still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 storms that's trying to form again, okay? What is it, 3 or 4 storms that are definitely will be named very soon. At least 2 of them will be named soon, but you still have Tropical Storm Gil out there. We're going to look at it a little bit. It's picking up, okay? So I'm concerned about Hawaii a little bit. It may dissipate as it meets those islands a little bit, but you can see that it's starting to pick up some storms, picking up some spin, picking up that very much thick wind activity, okay? Very much heavy rainfall that is coming down, and it's very much going to bring a lot of flash flooding activity. There's no threat to rainfall, but again, Hawaii, if it gets a little bit closer right now, that radar is reading that it will, the feeder bands will reach the Hawaiian Islands, so just be prepared for that. It's big, okay, and it's getting very intense, okay? So we're going to keep our eyes out on that and the other ones that are trying to form behind it, okay? And there's a little lightning activity in it, but right now we're going to look at the Caribbean side and see that it's more calm than the other side, okay? So right now we do have, some heavy rainfall and lightning over there in South America, okay? Trying to go over into Panama and Costa Rica, but again, you still have a wave coming off of Africa. That's weeks out, and then you still have some rainfall that you'll see this weekend going into next week, but nothing really too bad. It may bring some flash flooding activity though, so just be prepared. It's been a lot of flooding this year, okay? And right now, that wave off of Africa may even be something that we'll be talking about next week, okay? So make sure that you're subscribing, okay? Liking my channel, sharing it with everyone. I just want to be that extra eye out for everyone for the weather, okay? I love doing the weather, and stay tuned, okay? I'm going to keep you updated daily, okay? It's Tiffany's content. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you.